Understanding. What did he, she say, in English? Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the common English question, what did he, she say? This phrase might seem simple, but it's packed with nuances that can help you understand conversations better. Ask for clarification politely, and improve your listening skills in English. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, this video is for you. The phrase, what did he, she say, is used to ask for repetition or clarification about something that was spoken. It's important because it shows active listening and engagement in the conversation. Let's break it down. What starts the question, indicating you're asking for information. Did is the past tense auxiliary verb, showing that you're asking about something said in the past. He, she, identifies the person you're asking about. You can replace this with any subject, depending on who you're talking about. Say is the main verb, referring to the act of speaking or expressing something verbally. Understanding when to use what did he, she say is crucial for effective communication. Here are some common scenarios. When you didn't hear something clearly, it's a polite way to indicate that you want to understand the message fully. When you're surprised or need clarification because what was said was unexpected or complex. To confirm you understood correctly, especially in important conversations where details matter. There are variations to this phrase, depending on the context and tone of the conversation. Examples include, could you repeat that, please? A more formal or polite way to ask for the same information. Sorry, what was that? A casual, more indirect way of asking for repetition. Pardon? A very polite, somewhat formal request, often used in British English. Responses to what did he, she say, should directly address the request for repetition or clarification. It's good practice to repeat the information more slowly, clearly, or provide additional context to ensure understanding. Remember, asking, what did he, she say, is not just about understanding words but also about engaging actively and respectfully in conversations. We hope this video helps you feel more comfortable and confident in your English communication skills. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to ask for clarification whenever you need it. See you in the next video.